The air conditioner has become a necessity to a Filipino's daily life. Living without air conditioners can cause discomfort and irritation. But sometimes, seeking comfort in this heat is not enough. The air that surrounds us may carry viruses and bacteria. That's why it is important to safeguard ourselves from these harmful elements. There is a product that can give you both comfort and protection. The Sharp J-Tech Inverter Split-Type Air Conditioner. Experience comfortable, even cooling with the J-Tech Inverter. Save up to 60% on energy with its Eco Mode system and 15-step control. The Sharp J-Tech Inverter Split-Type Air Conditioner is also equipped with the unique Plasmacluster Ion Technology. It disperses positive and negative ions along with the cool air, giving you safer and cleaner air to breathe. Seek only the comfort that gives you a cool, safe, and odor-free environment. The Sharp J-Tech Inverter Split-Type Air Conditioner protects the air for maximum comfort now. Plasmacluster only from Sharp.